This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 278BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, slide-out, microwave, awning, oven, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, external shower, LP detector, leveling jacks, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 278BH is 8,365 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.